Uno, colors rule, how to play. This game plays the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of the rules, check out this video. When setting up the game, put the 4 color power cards into their corresponding stands near the playing area. The wild colored character card is a wild that may be played on any card. Then you get to pick the color that resumes play. When you play a wild colored character card, you take on the power of the color of the card played. Take the corresponding color power card and place it in front of you, showing everyone the power you possess. This power will stay there until another player takes it from you. If you have the red power, then you may give your red cards to any other player you wish at any time. The blue allows you to play 2 playable cards on your turn instead of 1. The green allows you, when you don't have a playable card in your hand, to draw the top card of the deck and immediately discard it whether it is a playable card or not. Then your turn ends. Yellow protects you from any skip, reverse, draw 2, wild draw 4, and red character card played against you. The wild color choice card is a wild that may be played on any card. Then you get to pick the color that resumes play. Whenever you play a wild color choice card, you get to choose any color power and place that color in front of you. At the beginning of the game, if either a wild colored character card or a wild colored choice card is the first card flipped, then the player to the left of the dealer may play any card on it. At the end of the game, each wild colored character and wild colored choice card left in an opponent's hand is worth 50 points.